Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about this hair mask, and it's from the brand called Carol's Daughter. It's called Almond Milk Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask. So that's how the jar looks like, and you get 12 ounces or 340 grams of product in here, and I got it from Walmart. I think it was somewhere around $12 to $15. You can get it pretty much in every drugstore or grocery store. So that's how this thing looks like, and the good thing about this is it's paraben free, petroleum free, mineral oil free, and artificial color free. So those are a lot of good things there. And you have directions here, and it says apply for 5 to 7 minutes. So I typically use this treatment for an hour, and I have seen amazing results. So guys, now I have been using this thing for past I think 3 or 4 months, and time when I started using this, my hair were really damaged and they were really dry, and now I'm seeing a lot of improvement in my hair after using this thing. So that was the reason I thought of sharing this product with you guys, because it's not too much talked about on YouTube, and it's a gem hidden in drugstores. So I thought, why not to share this thing with you guys. And if you are also dealing with like damaged hair or dry hair, give this a shot and share your views with me. And if you guys want to know how I apply this, I have done a video previously telling you how I do hair spa at home. So that's the exact application I use with this product also. I'll link that video in the description box below so that you guys can check it out. And guys, here is the jar, and here is the ingredient list, if my camera can focus. So there are a lot of good stuff in here. You can even check it out online for like ingredient list. And that's how the product looks like. It's quite a thick cream, and it smells of almonds. So it smells so good, guys. It's no artificial scent or anything. It smells so natural and so sweet. I really love applying this on my hair. So the exact way I apply it on my hair is I take 2-inch sections and rub this product in. Then I wrap up my hair in a bun, put plastic cover on it, and leave it for 1 hour. Then I just rinse them off after 1 hour, and it gives me amazing results. So that was all for this video, guys. I just wanted to share this wonderful product with you, and I hope it helps you out. And if you have already used it, you can share your views on this product in the comment box below. And if you have any specific video request, do put it in the comments below and I'll look into it. So that was all for this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.